Wet and wild, mossy and mild. I need to reach a little bit more. You're wet. These walls are surprisingly grippy.
We got some new spots, we're going new places today. This is where we are. See some more later, bye. Techie challenge. It's kind of gross.
Really gross.
Oh, that seems horrible. Where it's weird. Oh yeah. See what I mean? Yeah. How wobbly is it?
Like,
how wobbly actually is it?
It's quite wobbly.
Snoop.
Oh yes! Oh!
The rain has started. We're doing stuff before the grip goes away too much, but it looks like it goes away. Nice! Oh. Again! Yes! We've got our two resident experts on low capris. They found a low challenge.
Oh yeah. It was fun.
My hand is taller. Anything is a spot. That's cool. Rain's here, so it's time to change the location. Oh, I've been told off to put the camera away. We got nature. Nature's happening. Look at this blue sky and rainbow. Can you even see the rainbow? Pinch zoom. Pinch zoom. Let's go to the second spot. You're confusing it with a field. You've got a gross thing.
I've got a gross thing.
Is it that thing by any chance?
It's that thing.
That thing that guy in purple is trying to do.
Oh, and it just goes.
Oh. Come on, Jack, show us what.
I mean, I'm not.
I know.
Film Jordan.
No.
He's definitely closer than I am.
No, well, the thing is that I've got the camera, I've got my coat on, and I'm clearly not training because I was going to another spot.
That actually could have gone there.
That could have gone, that should have gone. Next in line. Oh, look at that. It's there.
I'm definitely going to slip at some point during this, but...
Well, that'll add to the content and give us a great thumbnail.
got 3 left.
Oh, Jack! Let's have a go.
Yeah, go on. We got 1, we got 2, we got 3, we got 4 is your skin. Whoa, what happened there? Grippy when wet, very grippy. Oh! Oh! Are you still going for that one bang? I want still going for that one bang on a t-shirt. Oh, you've got that. These walls. Oh, good commit, good commit. Yeah.
Feet, I don't want to
Oh! Absolutely banging.
My knee works.
Go on. Yeah! And then some. Nice.
And you go for the stride. Go on. Oh! 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 Yeah. There it is.
I'll count it.
That was lovely.
There's a little bit of skiing season, but
Nah, well, I mean, it's raining, so I think we'll allow some mild slippage. These walls are surprisingly grippy, given that they're covered in rain. But We've all had enough of being wet rats.
Changey, location-y. It's dry, but it's not very big.
4 square feet of dry for about 12 of us to train. Push.
That's how it's done. Lock it in.
Push! Oh! Rained on, man. Yes! Oh, yes! Splat! Oh! Go on, push! Yes! That was nice.
Currently in London, training some beautiful spots. This is the people we're with. You can see the view of London for miles. It's great to have you here. We'll see you next spotty. Static angle incoming. Yes. Okay, we've got some documentation for the situation that is happening right now this minute.
Dive roll up, straight into wall spin, maybe.
Yeah! You almost took out my feet. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Sick! Sick!
Wet, gross, but we still find ways to make cheeky lines. Me, Richard, Arthur and Matt. Oh, it could go. It's a lot of wrist pressure though, isn't it, to try and keep your feet up?
My bad wrist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, smooth. And then, oh.
It's the other way, but then I need to do the...
I think I need to... Ooh, yeah. Yo, yes, that's it. Oh, yes. Nice.
On wet days like this, you have to either embrace it, find an undercover spot, or just not train.
Oh, it's really amazing.
No. Nailed it.
Yeah.
By the way, this is what Joey looks like right now.
Oh yeah, that's really warming up.
Very right.
Right, left, right.
I like.
Yeah.
It's in here.
You know what we need is some banter.
Oh yeah, let's get some light on this business. White one, fam. Don't put that in. What are you doing, man?
Not me, Joe's doing.
Oh, Joe,
really
show
cool
us your crazy stuff.
There you go. Sort of.
Oh yes.
It's not one of those if you don't go.
Oh. Oh. Oh, nice.
It's like a toothpick tap. Proper jokes.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, Jerry.
Damn it. Back into it, so there's you can do that. It's like 3 back out, it's 3 seconds.